Hi. 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 It's Touche. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Happy holidays to everyone. I know I should cut the TV down, but it's hard enough just to do this. So, happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. Happy lives. Happy today. You know, just everyone be blessed. Everyone. Even you. You know who you are. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your turkey, your roast beef, your cranberry sauce, your friends, your lovers, your loved ones, your family. I love all of you who come to see this video and those who, whether you comment or don't comment, I don't need to comment. This is a real sincere fighting this fever and this flu. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye-bye.